Hi, my name is Robert James, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about MemoSurge supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about MemoSurge supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy MemoSurge, because MemoSurge is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is MemoSurge and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, MemoSurge works. MemoSurge is an incredible breakthrough that helps to protect your cognitive health and repairs the brain from retrieving your memories. This discovery supports restoring your brain and thoughts and protecting your brain function. MemoSurge is one of the safest and most effective methods to energize your mind, strengthen your connections between neurons, and restore your brain functionality. MemoSurge is a kind of natural remedy that supports your memory and provides you with replenishment to the brain. It can prevent your health from the cognitive decline triggered by a renegade molecule. You will get the MemoSurge in the capsule, which easily blends with your body and starts to show you outstanding results. Here every ingredient is clinically tested for purity and has the potential to treat all mental issues and develop creativity, concentration, and focus. MemoSurge supplement promises to repair the damaged brain cells and avoid brain shrinkage by effectively making the proper neuron connection for showing effective and absolute results. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with MemoSurge supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test MemoSurge pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to MemoSurge work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, MemoSurge supplement has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy MemoSurge supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that MemoSurge pills actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.